Hello. The effect of technology on the climate and the environment is evident. The development of companies has increased the emission of gases, leading to progressive change in the climate, especially an increase the temperature. In the same way, the industries, including the agriculture industry and fracking, affect water sources, destroy the Earth's course, and alter the flora and fauna of ecosystems. Additionally, there are increasing levels of consumption, overgrowth the population, and excessive consumption of drinking water and natural resources. If current trends continue, the Earth will head up impressively. We need to take action right now. So I have government entities coming tell themselves in order to generate policies that reduce gas emissions and to avoid accelerate warming. I recommend constantly working to raise public awareness about importance of reducing consumption, reusing and recycling, taking care of natural resources, seeking ecological alternatives of reduced impact on the environment.